Yes, yes. Well, as per the SIT investigation, the main accused is Sonam, who, along with her husband, had traveled to Saura as a couple, but yes, yes. Well, as per the SIT investigation, the main accused is Sonam, who, along with her husband, had traveled to Saura as a couple, but she also came with a group of 3 other contract killers, and she had herself surrendered before the UP police, and the 3 others have also been arrested, and they have confessed to the crime.
Sir, these weapons have been which have been used, the killing incidents has been brought out?
Yeah. It has been found at the site. This is a dhow that they had bought while traveling to Meghalaya. It was bought by them from somewhere in Assam.
In Guwahati itself, sir?
I just know Assam. I think they had stayed a night or 2 in Guwahati. Yeah.
So this is a total of 4% has been arrested so far.
Yes, total 4.
One detained means Sonam has been detained.
She has been retained. Now we are completing all procedures to try and bring her to Shillong to face trials here.
When it will be possible, sir? When they will be?
Very likely tomorrow. Okay.
See, right after we got the information that Sonam and her husband had gone missing, we took up the challenge. See, immediately we started the search, and then subsequently during search, we had utilized NDRF, SDRF, and now also our SOT boys. Then eventually on the 2nd, we discovered the body of Raja, the Away Sodong. So subsequently we got a murder case registered. And actually the challenging thing was first because of the terrain plus the weather condition, but eventually we were able to get that body, discover the body, register the murder case, and we initiated the investigation. Yeah.
So far, sir, how many people has been arrested, and Sonam has also been caught up in the UP also?
Right.
So can you say?
Right. See, last night the operation started. We got 4 persons last night, and actually 3 persons we got last night, and later on Sonam came, she surrendered at Ghazipur. Then this morning around before 12, we got another person, we arrested another person. So basically right now 4 persons have been arrested, being produced at the respective court, and we're going to get the transit warrant to bring them to Shillong for production in Shillong. And with regarding to Sonam, she's already there, she has surrendered, and our team has already moved out from Shillong. They're all about to reach Ghazipur, and eventually they will take her, formally arrest her, and then take the transit remand.
So how many teams of the Meghalaya police has been involved to enter this?
See, if you talk about the operation that we started, we had formed an SIT. We had capable officers there, and last night we sent 2 teams, one to UP, one to Madhya Pradesh, and then they executed the operation. And then this morning again we had sent another team.
So this is actually live triangle angle.
See, that matter is under investigation. We'll find out. But patterns are saying that Sonam and Raj, they are in a good contact. Yeah. So the patterns says that, but that is the subject of investigation. We'll find out.
Also used some supari killers or something else. Use supari killers or something.
See, like I've said, we are going to investigate. Once they come here, we'll be able to investigate them and then.
When
understand.
They will be brought to the Shillong from the Madhya Pradesh or the UP?
See, we're going to take a transit remand, I've said. Once we get the transit remand for how many days, then most probably by tomorrow, they'll be coming here.
They also use the sharp weapons to use these killings?
See, there was a dhow that was seized. So, and then as per the statement that has been given upon interrogation, they said they had was bought from Guwahati. So yeah, just that.
Sir, can you please say your name and designation, please, sir?
Oh, I'm H. Kargungor, MPS. I'm the Superintendent of Police City, Shillong, and I'm heading the SIT. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.